I'm going to be helping you with your first grade skills lessons. My name is Miss James. Let's get started on lesson number 3. Today's objectives are to blend and segment single-syllable words, identify letter-sound correspondences, decode and write CVC words, identify common nouns that name a person, and we'll be working on tricky words A and I. Let's get started by warming up with some blending and segmenting. Remember, when we blend, we're going to touch our fingers. When we segment, we're going to hold them up and wiggle them. Let's blend our first word. Ready? At, at. Now hold up 2 fingers and wiggle them as we say the sounds. At. Great job. Next word, as. As. Hold up 2 fingers. As. Next word, ash. Ash. Hold up 2 fingers for ash. Ash. Next word, odd. Odd. Hold up 2 fingers for odd. Odd. Next word, hop. Hop. 3 fingers for hop. Next word, cat. Cat. Hold up 3 fingers for cat. At. 2 more words. Light. Light. Hold up 3 fingers for light. Light. Last one. Ready? Bell. Hold up 3 fingers for bell. Great job. You're really getting the hang of this. We're going to look at some more of those code flipbook pages. Today we have the vowel. What sound does this make? And what letter do we use to spell the sound eh? The name of this letter is E. The power bar for this letter is very long. That means it's common to have eh spelled with an E. Like in the word pet. We have another vowel today. What sound does this vowel make? And what's the name of the letter we use to spell U? This is the letter U. The power bar is a little shorter, but it's still pretty common to spell with a U, as in the word but. Next, let's take a look at those tricky words I was talking about. When you see this word, what do you think of? You might think that says ah. When we're writing, it does say ah. But when we're looking at it as a word, it says a or a. Say it with me, a. Let's say it in a sentence. I have a cat. Say it with me. I have a cat. You might also say, I have a cat. Let's try it in another sentence. Repeat after me. This is a book. This is a book. You can say a or a, but you have to remember to spell it with just an a when you're writing. Our next tricky word is this one right here. What do you think of when you see this letter? You might think, well, that says it. But we're going to pronounce it as I when we're thinking of it as a word. Just like in the sentence, I have a dog. Repeat after me. I have a dog. Let's say it in another sentence. I like to ride my bike. Great job! You just have to remember that when we're thinking of the word I, we're going to write it just like this, a capital I. Don't let it trick you. Let's read some examples to practice those tricky words. Number 1, read it with me. A pan. Number 2, I nap. Number 3, a dad. Number 4, I dig. Number 5, I got a cat. That one has both of the tricky words in it. Number 6, a hit. Great job! Give yourselves a round of applause. Next, we're going to work on identifying nouns that name a person. Say the word with me. Nouns. We're trying to figure out which word is the person in a phrase. The first phrase is Mom sings. Is mom the person or is sings the person? That's right. Mom is the person. That means mom is the noun in the phrase Mom sings. Now listen to the next phrase and then shout it out when you know which word is the noun that names a person. Happy child. Child is the noun because a child is a person. Bunny baby. Baby is the noun because a baby is a person. Nice teacher. Teacher is the noun because a teacher is a person. Girl runs. Girl is the noun because a girl is a person. Boy plays. What's the noun? Boy or plays? Boy is the noun. Sister plays. Good. Sister is the noun because a sister is a person. Last one. Grandmother smiles. Which word is the noun? Grandmother or smiles? Grandmother is the noun. Great job! You guys know all about people. That means you know about nouns. Remember, a noun is something that names a person. Great job so far. I'm just going to look at our worksheets for today. On the worksheets, you're just going to write the letters lowercase and capital that we've already learned about. Just like you see on this page. Once you're finished with that, then you need to read the words in the box and match them to the pictures they belong to. Write the word underneath the picture once you find out where it belongs. Great work again today!